Have you ever dreamed of creating beautiful music? Imagine your fingers dancing across the piano keys. Imagine filling your home with beautiful melodies. Learning the piano can make your dreams a reality. Playing the piano opens a world of possibilities. You can play any song you like, you can share your music with others. It's a journey of creativity and joy. Learning piano is like making new friends. You start by getting to know the instrument. The piano might seem big at first, but don't worry, it's easy to understand. The piano has white keys and black keys. These keys make different sounds. You press them to make music. The pedals change the sound, they make it louder or softer. Where do you start on this amazing instrument? The center of the piano is your starting point. It's called middle C. Middle C is like your home base on the keyboard. Find middle C. Look for the group of 2 black keys. Middle C is the white key just to the left. From there you can find all the other notes. Section 4. The importance of middle C. Middle C is where you will place your thumb. From this central position your fingers can reach other keys. This makes it easier to play songs. Practice playing scales and simple melodies starting on middle C. This helps you learn the layout of the keyboard. Section 5. Enjoy the journey, note by note. Learning the piano takes time and practice. Be patient with yourself and celebrate your progress. Each note you learn is a step forward. Every song you play is a victory. So start your musical journey today. Embrace the joy of playing the piano. You'll be amazed by what you can achieve.